Dear students, today I'm going to teach you what is Cartesian product. So I will explain the Cartesian product with the help of one example. So let's start. Let's suppose we have a set A. The elements are, let's suppose 2 and 3 are the set A elements, and then let's see the another sets as the elements having x, y, z. These are the two sets. Now, can you think how many ordered pair can we form with the help of these two sets by cross matching each elements with another set's elements, like 2 with this all and 3 with this all. Let me elaborate more. Now we are going to make a set of order pair by the help of A and B both together. So we will write here as a 2, 3. I'm writing here, and at the top I'm writing x, y, z. Now I'll make one box. This is one box. Let's see this. Let's make this is a complete box. Now what we'll do is our two element is there first here. This is A cross B, that's why 2 comma x. Likewise this A will be 2 comma y, and this will be 2 comma z. Likewise the another will be 3 comma x, 3 comma y, and 3 comma z. So these all formed they are order pair, but in this question this all order pair we regard it as a one each elements. So these all we can consider as a elements. Okay, 3 z. Now these all we will include with the curly bracket. Now these all element formed by crossing A elements to the B. So we can write here as A cross B. This sign look like the multiplication, but this is not a multiplication. We are writing is as A cross B, from A elements to B elements. So it is A cross B. Now let's write the definition. Definition of Cartesian product. Let's write it down. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. Non-empty sets means it contains elements, like this elements it contains. Then the Cartesian product of A and B denoted by, so how it is denoted? It is denoted by A cross B, right? Then the Cartesian product of A and B denoted by A cross B is defined as the set of all order pairs, So what is our order pairs? A comma B, such that this is a definition. So we are not writing like 1 2 3. We have supposed it as A comma B, such that A belongs to the set A. This A belongs to set A, and B belongs to the set B. Like this element A comma B we will form, where this A will be from set A and this B will be from set B. So this is the proper definition of Cartesian product. Now this Cartesian product answers can be displayed or represented in different method. Let's represent it. First method, you can see it's a mapping diagram. So what we will do here in mapping diagram, we will make a two circle. We will make a two oval shape. Like this way, two oval shape we will make. At the one we will write set A and another will be of set B. The place where there is set A, we will write the set A element, that is 2, 3. I'm using the same question, this set A, 2, 3 and B as a x, y, z. So let's write 2, 3 and the set B is x, y, z. Now these two will cross match with x and it will also join, make a elements with z also. Likewise 3 also make a compound with x, y and z. This is called A cross B, right? Each of the element from set A is matched with the set B elements. So this is called a mapping diagram. Likewise, there will be another type that we call it as a tree method. So what is tree method? By sound it is tree method. So first what we will do, watch it carefully. This side, at the left hand side, we will write the elements of set A. Our set A elements, it's 2, 3, right? So I'll write 2, 3 by maintaining few gap. And then at this right hand side, we will write the elements of B. What are they? X, Y, Z. That means these two will match with X also, Y also and Z also. Likewise these 3 also have to match the X, Y, Z. So we will write again X, Y, Z. So 3, X, 3, Y, 3, Z. Same thing, this is mapping diagram and this is tree diagram. Now let's write the final answers too. You can give one arrow like this. 2, X, 2, Y. This is 2, Z. Likewise 3 will also pair with this all the elements, so it will be 3, X, 3, Y and then 3, Z. See, this is a tree diagram. It looks like a tree. So the 2 is matching with X, Y, Z and 3 also matched with X, Y, Z. Here also 2 with X, Y, Z and 3 with X, Y, Z. So these are the two methods, and one more method is that we have already done. This is a table method. See, a table methods 2, 3, X, Y, Z. This is called a table method. Table method, then after mapping method, then tree diagram method. One more method is there, that is in graph. We can display the same thing in graph as well. Let me try to show you. Let's suppose this is a x axis, x dash, y axis and y dash, and this suppose at this is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and here our this is the element of A and the element of B is X, Y, Z. So it's not a number, so I'm going to write here X, Y, Z. Now we have to plot 2, X. That means 2, X. Our point will be here. Likewise 2, Y, then 2, Y, then 2 comma z, so it will, our point will be here, and similarly 3 will also match with 3 comma x, 3 comma y, and then 3 comma z. So these all are the points, and we can represent this in graph. Representing this in the graph, and this all representation is called lattice diagram. This is called the lattice diagram or lattice diagram or lattice graph, and these all points are called lattice point. So in how many methods total Cartesian product can be represented? One is graph, tree, mapping, and the first one is our table. If your question says find the Cartesian product in this format, like in table or mapping, then you have to do on the same one. Otherwise, if question doesn't says anything, then you can follow any method. Hope you have understood. If there is any problem, feel free to contact me. Thank you.